Hey everybody, Dan out here. Well, I'm burning some time and money in the garage today. I'm going to take this Resonator Delete and install it on the Tremor. But I'll show you why here in a second. This might be kind of hard to see, but I've only got 9,000 miles on this right now, mostly towing. And you can see maybe that the Resonator already has a substantial amount of heat buildup. Up here at the collector, down here. And that the muffler, kind of hard to tell maybe, let me slide it down, is fairly unscathed. So what I want to do is I want to take this heat that's right here and right next to the transmission transfer case and push it down towards the muffler. Increase the velocity, maybe gain a touch horsepower, but mostly just to get a better sound. Now Google AI will tell you that this won't help anything. Well, I don't believe AI either. So here we go, I'm gonna put it on. But first, I'll do a cold start and a couple revs. As they say, out with the old, in with the new. It took one 15mm, two 13s, and it was only a kind of a pain to pull out. Just had to push the exhaust back a little bit, but there it is. I got to cut this pipe to match, so I'll get to that. First, let me do a cold start with it open. And that is it. A lot cleaner under here now. Wasn't too bad. There was a tab down in the muffler section I had to cut off. I had to take it out of almost all the hangers at the end. But then getting that pipe cut and getting everything fit into place was pretty easy, so let's fire it up, do another reading. Now with the resonator.